Welcome to one of the most highly upgraded homes to ever hit the market in Azure. This stunning custom-built Serino is sure to impress you the moment you enter. The chef's kitchen features top-of-the-line 6-burner Genair gas stove, quartz island and backsplash, custom hood, pot filler, and extra cabinets and counter space. The floor plan is open and spacious with beautiful engineered wood flooring throughout. The master suite features a huge upgraded shower and dual sinks, and all bedrooms are large with great closet space. The den features custom cabinetry and could be used as a 4th bedroom if needed. You'll enjoy the Florida weather in your fabulous outdoor area that offers a saltwater pool, outdoor kitchen, and outdoor living and dining areas. Azure at Hacienda Lakes is one of Naples' most popular resort-style neighborhoods that offers a fabulous amenity center with lagoon-style pool, cabanas, state-of-the-art fitness center, library, card room, tennis, pickleball, and a beautiful clubhouse with an active social calendar. You don't want to miss out on this great opportunity. Contact me today for more information.